Hi y'all, I'm back to slice up some of this cake that I cooked. I've had it in the fridge for about an hour, so it could set. And it is the banana cake with the cream cheese frosting. So I'm going to slice up a hunk here and let you see. It's been in the fridge now. Looks so delicious. Let me pick it up. Here it is. Look at that. Banana cake. Let you see the inside of it. Look at that. And I got it right here on this plate. Let's get a look at that. Look at that. And I'm going to let Tyler take a bite. So I'm going to slice it right here. It's been in the fridge, so it's kind of cold, but I wanted it to set. Banana cake.
It's delicious.
And look at that. Look at that. Okay, y'all. Thanks for joining. Thanks for subscribing. Please comment and ask questions on your post. And I appreciate every one of you all because I could not do it if it were not for you. So thank you so much. And this is the banana cake. This is Patti, and come back for the next exciting video. Talk to you soon. Bye.